Hello guys, this is Nikki from Richmond. Today I'm at SANHE Warehouse to give you a quick introduction of XCMG 30-ton Truck Crane QY30K5C. It's designed for construction projects, factory installation, mining operations, delivering excellent lifting performance, stability, and efficiency. It offers a max lifting capacity of 30 pounds and features a 5-section U-shaped main boom. The boom can extend up to 42 meters, and with 9-meter G, the max lifting height reaches 50.2 meters. It takes only about 100 seconds to fully extend, making it ideal for high-reach lifting operations. Equipped with a high-performance 6-cylinder Shanghai diesel engine with a rated power of 221 kilowatts, it offers strong power, faster speed, and higher efficiency. Now let's see the cab. The cab features a user-friendly design, offering a wide field of vision, a comfortable seat, and air conditioning for both seating and cooling, making operation easier and more comfortable. Whether for urban construction, factory installation, or large-scale infrastructure development, the QY30K5C delivers excellent performance to support your business success. This is Nikki. See you next time.